Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I want to show you how to draw natural eyelashes. This video includes some tips and techniques that will help you to draw eyelashes from different angles. The first thing we need to do is sharpening the pencil to create very thin and refined lines for the eyelashes. Or you can use a thin mechanical pencil instead. The next thing you should do is to practice drawing some strokes before you go for the main drawing. Just keep the strokes delicate and pointed at one end. This practice is like a warm-up for your hand and helps build your muscle memory. So draw different strands and stroke in different directions and angles. For the next step, I'm gonna tell you to stop drawing eyelashes in straight lines. Draw some curved and irregular strokes instead. Some eyelashes tend to group to each other in the form of clusters. They actually look like triangle. Do not draw short broken lines. Instead, put less pressure and loose your hand at the end of the lines and let go of your pencil. So try to draw overlapping lashes to give them a more natural look. Some lashes tend to disorient from the eyelid lash line. So taper and cross them over each other. Vary the length of each lash. Draw some lashes longer and some shorter. Draw thinner and shorter lashes in the inner corner of the eye. And as you go for the middle, draw longer and thicker lashes. The lower eyelashes are usually shorter and thinner than the upper ones. But with the same exact tips I mentioned, you will be able to draw the lower lashes as well. I like to draw the lashes layer by layer. This helps me to be more in control of the strokes I draw. First, I create a layer of thin lines, and then in the next layers, I make the same lines bolder and add more details to them. After practicing all these techniques, go find several different references and try to draw lashes from different angles. And practice the lashes of different people's eyes and from different views. Try to practice drawing lashes from front, close, and side angle. Some people may have thick, bushy, and dense eyelashes, while others may have thin, short, and wispy lashes. Some people's eyelashes are long, narrow, straight lines, and some of them have messy and curly eyelashes. Some of them has longer lower lashes and some of them shorter. And some people only have long upper eyelashes. Men tend to have thinner and shorter lashes, while women have longer and thicker ones, especially when they use mascara. Some people have downward facing upper lashes. Babies and kids have only a few strands of thin hair, and as for the older people. And some people have their eyelashes somehow covered by the upper eyelid. So now with all the information we have, we can draw different eyelashes. Thinner and shorter eyelashes, and thicker and curlier. To draw the eyelashes from the side angle, try to draw upward curved lines that go towards the outside of the eye. Then direct your strokes upwards and outwards and apply another layer to make it darker as we did before. So go practice drawing different eyelashes in different situations. Draw the eyelashes of different people from different angles. Well, now that we've come so far, I want to recommend you to watch my previous video about how to draw a realistic eye. In that video, I also gave a lot of tips and tricks that might help you to improve your drawings to the next level. I'll put the video's link in the description box below, so make sure to check that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find this tutorial useful. And till the next video, bye.